They said they would stop washing their clothes if we needed to get in to wash our clothes. They stopped our clothes to wash their clothes.
These ones? That's not very nice.
Hey, you kitty?
Phoebe loves her new leggings.
Good.
Where are we going?
He just makes friends wherever we go.